Every great day begins with a single choice. The moment you open your eyes, you're not just waking up, you're awakening your potential. Natural sunlight flooding your room isn't just light. It's your body's signal to reset, recharge, and reclaim your day. This is where transformation begins. Before coffee, before checking your phone, reach for something far more powerful: water. After hours of rest, your body is craving hydration. A single glass of water kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and activates every cell in your body. It's the simplest habit, yet one of the most transformative. Hydration isn't just about thirst. It's about giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. Now, move. Your body was designed for motion, not stagnation. A morning walk isn't just exercise. It's meditation in motion. Fresh air fills your lungs. Endorphins flood your brain. And clarity replaces confusion. Just 20 minutes of walking can boost your cardiovascular health, strengthen your immune system, and sharpen your mental focus. This isn't just a walk. It's an investment in your longevity. Fuel matters. What you put on your plate determines how you show up in life. A nutritious breakfast isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Whole grains, lean proteins, fresh fruits and vegetables. These aren't just foods. They're building blocks for peak performance. When you nourish your body properly, you're not just eating. You're powering your potential, protecting your health, and preparing for greatness. Now, step into your workspace with intention. Sitting at a desk doesn't mean sacrificing your health. Stand up every hour. Stretch. Stay hydrated. Take conscious breaths between tasks. Your workspace should energize you, not drain you. Remember, success isn't just about what you achieve. At work, it's about maintaining the health that allows you to achieve it. Balance isn't optional. It's essential. Because the best investment you'll ever make isn't in stocks or property, it's in your health. Start today. Your future self will thank you.